With the introduction of triggers, GitLab Duo flows can now be automated with no manual handoff required. In this demo, we'll show how triggers can help with the assignment of work. Checking team member workload and availability each time can be time-consuming and exhausting. With GitLab Duo Agent Platform, you can now set up an event trigger to help reduce this kind of manual work. In this demo, the trigger is the creation of a work item. When a work item is created, a GitLab flow is automatically invoked. For this demo, the flow handles the assignment automatically at any volume in seconds. Let me show you how this trigger works. Here we see a project called Intra-Account Transfers, for which we have created a flow named Work Item Assigner. There are many event types to select as a trigger, but for our case, we have enabled this flow to be triggered when a work item is created in this project. The trigger will invoke Work Item Assigner, but you can configure any trigger to invoke any of the agents or flows enabled for this project. This combination allows a ton of flexibility to adopt agents in your workflows. Now, let's take a quick peek at what this flow does. This flow has two agents. One that uses GitLab Orbit for determining the workload of each resource under the organization, and a second agent that selects a team member to whom the newly created work item should be assigned based on workload. Also, each agent has its own corresponding prompt that spells out in detail what process to follow and tools to use to carry out their goals. So, let's see this flow in action. To see how this trigger works, we need to create a brand new work item. Let's populate its title and description and press on the Create Issue button. As soon as we create the issue, we see that the trigger has been fired and the Work Item Assigner flow has been started. Let's head over to the flow activity log to see its progress. We can see that the flow has started. The first agent obtains the project information and then uses Orbit tools to determine the number of open work items for each user of the top group for this project. Then, the second agent identifies the user that is least loaded with open work items, in this case, my teammate William. It then determines that this person is the best candidate to whom the newly created work item should be assigned, and carries out the actual assignment. Lastly, we head back to the issue itself to verify that the flow has successfully assigned the newly created work item to William. As we could see, instead of us sorting through open work items to determine who in our team has the availability to work on a brand new issue and doing the assignment manually ourselves, we were able to leverage a Duo Agent Platform trigger to do all of this for us in a matter of seconds, freeing us from manual decisions an agent can make with the same information we would.